Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations channel. In this video, we will paint these 6 diyas. Let's get started. I'll paint with gold in the center. Now in the next smaller circle, I'm painting using metallic color of golden yellow. Now painting with pearl yellow. This is a desert gold metallic color. In the next round, I am painting with orange. Now I am painting with dark green. I'm sure all of you love the way these diyas are painted. Thank you for watching this video.